Bananas. Full? Do you like those?
So what happens now? Do we feed them solid foods all the time, or?
I don't know. I think just let him play with it a couple times a day, they say. Something like that. He's kind of eating a lot though, maybe he's done.
But does it say he's supposed to take it away at a certain point?
I don't know.
Wouldn't you just stop if you got full?
Yeah, but I think he thinks it's fun.
I don't know, there wasn't that much in the bowl.
Yeah, it's true. You like it. It's so cute.
Plus if you try to take that away, you see the screen.
Yeah. Oh, maybe he's done. You done? Was that fun? Okay.
That's what his eating tray is for, so that we can wash it easily.
Yes.
We should use that next time.
Well, that's what this is.
No,
There's one that goes on top, yeah. Okay, I think you're done. Good job. Good job, buddy. First eating. January 13th, 2010. Complete. Say hi, Wes. Oh, it's so cute. That was so fun.
Did you like those bananas? Yeah? Oh, good. Good. Well, there's a lot more where those came from.